Cyril Ramaphosa goes after Jacob Zuma in the 28 million legal battle. This is a legal battle that has to do with the legal costs that Jacob Zuma has incurred, which of course were carried by the state. You guys would remember that in 2018, there was also a ruling. There was a court ruling that said the state should no longer carry the legal costs of Jacob Zuma's legal battles or legal problems. If there's anyone, I don't know of anyone who has been in and out of the courts in this country in the same amount